What the fuck, yeah? What was that? What?
Okay, we're on our way. No, can you look at the screen and help me for a second?
Yeah.
Okay, we're... No, stop. What is...
Whoa! What is it about her, bro?
Change it to Hazel. To Hazel? Yeah, change it to Hazel. Oh.
That is so good.
Vi kan lave sådan en ude for haven, hvor vi står sådan i blandet i for eksempel med et eller andet ude. Fuck det! Nej, det er ikke noget. Jeg snakker om.
Josh.
What? Why are you calling me?
Go! You always look at me and shit. What?
What's on your face?
I don't know.